Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to install ChatGPT extension on your Chrome. So let's get started. To install your ChatGPT on your PC or Chrome, you just have to go to your browser and search for ChatGPT extension download. And there you can see this option free ChatGPT browser extension. Tap onto it, or and now you have to tap on to add to Chrome, and that's it. Now you have to tap onto this option called add to Chrome again, and then tap on to add extension. Let it be downloaded fully, and then tap onto it. Now you have to continue with your Google or Apple Pay. So for now I'll go with my Google account, then tap on to continue, and that's it. Now your extension is added to your PC. Now you can use your ChatGPT extension. So that's it. This is as simple as that. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Here you can see this ChatGPT extension. That's it.